Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Coder Circuit. In this video, this is the third part of file handling in C programming. Okay, and today we'll be learning how to append data into a file. Okay, so before starting this video, I would like to request all of you, as usual, to please like and share our videos because it really motivates us a lot and it really helps us to bring more better content to you. Because when we know that you are liking and subscribing, we actually get to know that you are actually viewing the content. Okay, so thanks for supporting, guys, and I hope you'll be supporting us more and more. So, as I said, today's topic will be file handling in C, how to append data into a file. Okay, so let's get started. I'll directly go to my IDE. Here I am inside my IDE. Guys, if you just go back, and here is that earlier video file where we are learning how to write data into a file. Okay, so as you see, we created a file pointer, and guys, you will not understand if you have not watched the video. Okay, so please go ahead, and I will give the link in the description and also in the I button. Please don't forget to go and watch that video, understand that properly, and if you have any doubts, post your doubts in the comment section. I'll be happy to clarify them. And after understanding the entire concept of writing data into a file, we can move ahead and come to this video. Okay, so thank you. As I said, we create a file pointer, and then we use the fopen function, which takes two arguments, the name of the file and the mode. Okay, so we have three modes: write, read, and append. Right, read is to read the file, write is to write some data, and there was some drawback with this write mode. Okay, and we also showed how to handle the errors by using this equal null option. So if the file pointer is null, that means if you have given something wrong in this path, then it will not be able to open this file. Okay, and it will return this message and also 1. Got it? So what that means is, see, right now my location is C user Saurav, etc., and last finally f2.txt. Okay, if I go here and show you, this is my f2.txt. Okay, and here I had some data. I'm Saurav Sarkar from Das and teaching you this. Fine. So guys, in this file, what happened is I already have this, and so let me just show you one thing to just give you a small recap. I already had this text file and I have some data in this, okay, written there. Now let me just write, say, some other trainer from our company, say Nikhil, right? And let me run this now. And let me erase some data. Okay, I'm just writing I'm Nikhil Rai from Coder Circuit, and let's go back to this file. Here we have this data right now. You can see we have this entire data now, and we are writing some data again to this file by using this code. Okay, so the fprintf command is doing it. We are just passing the file and then the text that we are trying to write into that file. After that, obviously, we are closing that file. Let me run this and show you. So running this, see, there is no error. So let's go to that file and see what happened. You can see, guys, the earlier data is gone and we have some new data into it. So this is a very bad practice when you are trying to update some data or trying to append some data into a file. Okay, because the earlier data will be overwritten. Okay, that's a very bad practice. So if you're doing this for the first time, this is not a good thing. So guys, I have already told this in the earlier video, the part 2, and now in the part 3 I will show you how to actually deal with this problem, because this is a very bad practice, right? So here what we will do, even if I write here, see, suppose if I'm going back again and writing, say, Chandan, and running this file, and just say I don't write anything here, run this now. See, no errors. Let's go back, and if you confirm, see, the earlier data is gone. So that's a very bad practice. So for that, I have created a new file, and here I will show you how to actually do this in a proper way by appending data to the file. Okay, so as goes the name, append data to file. So first of all, I will create a file pointer, fptr, and with that file pointer I will use fopen, and it takes two arguments, as I said, the file name and the mode. Okay, for the w mode it will only write data. Okay, so here I have to give the path. So what I do, I will just take f1.txt path like this, copy path reference and absolute path, Just go back to our file, and here I will just pass the path. Okay, it's a very long path. So after that, what I will do is, okay, you can see this is the mode. Fine, and I will write A here, guys. Please remember, R is for read, W is for writing or overwriting, and A is for appending data. Okay, you can add extra data into it. Fine, and let me create a new file. Okay, or let me just try with this one, f2.txt. I am Chandan. Fine. So what we do, I'll just go here and let me say f2.txt. Now let me just try to write something, and let us handle the error also. I'll just say if fptr equal null, then we will return an error message like this: error opening file /n, and then we'll simply return some unknown value, say return 1. That means there is something wrong. Otherwise the exit code is 0, right? After that, simply we'll use the fprintf function, and I will pass my pointer, and then I will pass the data that I want to write. Okay, so I'll just say /n, and I'll write I am Saurav and j/n. Okay, so that I can get the data in the next line. Make sense? After that, obviously I have to close the file, so fclose our pointer. Got it? So guys, we have used the A mode or the append mode, and I'm trying to write some data into the f2.txt file. Just see here. This is I am Chandan, and I'm appending I am Saurabh here. Let me run this and check. So no errors. Let's go back to that file and see what we have got. Yes guys, you can see here I'm getting I am Saurabh. So there is no problem in this. Got it? So we have successfully added some extra data into the file, and by keeping the earlier data intact. Okay, that's great, right? We have learned something very good. So now let me add some other data. I will just say, let me remove that /n now, and I'm just saying I am Nikhil. Let me run this now and let's see. Okay, you can see no errors. And let me go back here, and you can see I'm Nikhil. So this is appending data to the file, guys. And if you want to see how to get this warning message and how to get this printed, I'll just give a random dummy folder A, which is not existing, and write this. So this path is absolutely wrong, because inside file handling I don't have a folder called A. If you just see here, inside file handling I don't have any folder called A, right here in this part, not there. Got it? So in that case, this is not gonna work. Let's see what we get now. If I run this now, just see what happens. See, error opening file, and see the exit code, which is 1. That means the path to that file does not exist. Clear? So let me just again correct this so that we don't get that warning again. And let me say I will write Ujjwal, and let me run this now. Okay, as you can see here, no errors. And if I go back to the file, you can see I am Ujjwal has been appended. So this is how you add extra data into a file, or this is how you append data into a file. Okay, guys, this is easy and simple, but if you don't practice, you will not understand. I hope you understood this video. Guys, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And at the same time, please, if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon, because that will really motivate me to create more and more better content for you. Okay. So thanks for watching. Till the next time, this is Saurav signing off. Bye bye and happy learning.